everyone. I'm Rochelle with Century 21, here to introduce you to somebody special in the Fargo home buying scene. Welcome to our series on making your dream home a reality. Meet Lane. Lane is an experienced mortgage broker from Guaranteed Rate, and Lane has a wealth of knowledge about the Fargo-Moorhead real estate market and is here to share invaluable insights on financing your home purchase. So welcome, Lane.
Welcome, I appreciate it. It's a great introduction, and obviously we've been working together for a long time, so I'm excited to put some of this information out there.
Awesome. Well, Fargo is a unique market with a diverse range of properties. Could you tell us what makes home buying special here today? Talk about types of financing.
Yeah, for sure. So there are a handful of different options when you get into the process. Number one thing I like to assess with my clients right away is, of course, fixed rate versus adjustable rate mortgages. That's kind of two big categories to break it down into. Adjustable rate mortgages are exactly what they sound like. They have a fixed period to start it off, typically 3, 5, 7, or 10 years. After that, they adjust every 6 months based on current market at that time. And then, of course, we have fixed rate mortgages, which are broken down into conventional, FHA, VA, and USDA. Those can be on fixed terms where the rate is fully fixed for the life of the loan. Now, conventional and FHA and VA all have their own guidelines, so it's important to kind of assess which one fits your needs the best. But we usually can accomplish that right away on an application and get some information to the client to see what's going to fit their situation.
Perfect. And talk a little bit about the application process. Is that a lengthy ordeal? Can that be done? Do I have to come and talk with you in person? Can that be done online? What's your process?
Great question. So I have an online link that is the first step, getting the online application done, which takes my clients usually maybe 10 minutes. So it can be done completely from their cell phone or their laptop. Once that gets into my system, that gives me all the knowledge I need to put together curated options for that specific client. I'll jump on a phone call with them, usually right after I get the application, kind of talk through their scenario a little bit, see what's going to fit them the best. And then from there, I put together a few options, send them out to their email, and then we jump on another phone call and go in depth on their questions. But the whole process, start to finish, I mean, we're maybe talking 30 minutes, 45 minutes tops, and we can have curated options put out to the client.
Okay, perfect. One last question on this. What information do they need to start this process with you?
So with the application process, they fill out their personal information, they fill out their income information with their employment, and then they fill out their asset information. I do a soft credit pull at that point just to get their credit score as well as what debt obligations they have. That helps me curate which programs they qualify for based on credit score and whatnot. And then also debt to income ratio is what I assess with your monthly obligations and your income based off your employment history. So it's really that to start. And then from there, we can really put together the product.
Perfect. Well, if you're looking for financing, reach out to Lane at Guaranteed Rate with the number below, and he'll get the ball started. Thank you, Lane, for joining me on this webinar. And if they have any questions, they'll reach out to you.
Sounds good. I appreciate it.
All right. Take care. Rochelle Roesler. Call 218-979-1722 at Century 21 FM Realty today for a partnership built on trust and excellence.